This is an example of a merge web query from Walkenbach. So first we got the list of states, and just already got this pulled up here, so let me just highlight the web address for that and copy it. And we'll go back to Excel, data, get in transform new query, and this is from web. Paste in the URL. Okay. And if we're not sure which one to select, we can just try them. Table 0 is the correct one. Edit. We're now in the query editor. We want to keep the state name and when it became a state, so we'll get rid of a couple of things here. So we'll remove that one. We'll remove this one, and we just want the year, so we'll follow his directions there. We'll split the column by number of characters. Since we just want the year, we just want the last 4, so enter number of characters will be 4. Once as far right as possible, so we'll take just the last 4. So there's our years. Here's the other part of that, of what was split, so we'll just get rid of that. And we'll rename, I'll have to right click here, rename this column as year. And then we'll load this. That's our first information, which is the state and the year established. The second part of data is the population. And here is the website for that. Okay, still Wikipedia. And you're realizing that there are probably other tables that include both, but for this example purposes, so we're going to use this. So we're copying that URL, that is, go back here, go to an empty cell, and data, new query from web, paste in the URL, let's get the population, and it's table 0. So we'll edit that. And we just want the state and the population, and so I think there's several columns here, so we'll choose columns here. We want the state or territory and the population. And following this example, we're going to change this into a whole number. So, right, and let's rename this. This is the state population. Okay, and we'll load it. We're going to go back to this one and rename it. Okay, so this is the first one we did, which was the year established, so we'll just say state year. Alright, so now we have our 2 queries. One's got the state and the year established, and the second one has the state and the population. Notice this one does have also the territories. So now we'll work toward merging these. Alright, so we'll go back to select the blank cell here, data, new query, combine queries, merge, and we'll do the state year, and then we'll select the state population, and we need to select how to merge, so we'll We'll select state and state or territory as the common items. So it's going to merge based on state name, state territory. And here we've got a new column. We need to expand this. Actually, to expand, we could either select this or go to transform and expand. And we just want to keep the population. So we'll just select population. And then we can rename this. Just right click there to rename and just type in population. And we'll rename the query so it'll be something that we'll know what it is. And merged state query. And then we'll load. All right, and notice now we have actually three tables, separate worksheets, and this one just has for the 50 states corresponding to the first item we selected in terms of the merge. So again, here we got the original that we did first, that is the state and the year. Then we got the state and the population, and we can check this: California there, California there. So all those things do match up correctly. So that's an example of merging web queries in this